How to reset memory in Codex. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll show you how you can quickly reset all of the memories that is present in your Codex desktop application. So to do that, first launch your Codex desktop application and then click onto the settings option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now from here again click onto the settings option, or alternatively you can also press the control and the comma buttons. Now within the settings, click onto this personalization option right here, and within personalization, move at the very last. At the very last, you can see this option that says reset memory. This option deletes all codex memories. So from here, click onto this reset button, and once you will click, it will ask you for a final confirmation. If you wish to proceed, click onto this reset button again, and you will see a message which says memories reset at the top. So using this, your codex memory has been successfully deleted. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.